Zombie apocalypse.
Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. So today is our part 3 that I'm going to show you in this channel of my YouTube about how you are going to make your running beads on the garments, whereby you can look here. I've done a few of the running beads here. You can see, you can review back on the part 1 and the part 2 that I have showed you before. Okay, so you have to look at here. This is the beads, okay, and we have the round beads here too. This is the round one, so you can look at here. This is the round one. I mix it, the round one and the triangle. It's not triangle, it's a cube. It's a cube. Can you see it here? Okay. And this one, the one with I use the sequins, the pink color. I focus here. Look, I make it like this. So first of all, I want to show you how to make the running beads on the garments where they have this kind of flower or leaf. Okay, so here, this is the thread and the beading needles. Now we're gonna start. I put a little bit of beads here. Mix it. Okay, so you have 2 different sizes of beads using these garments, right? So you just look here. So we started from the neck. This is the right side, whereby I have finished it until the ends of the neck here. Now I start the left one. Okay. Before that, you have to stitch this first. You have that's the ends of the net. We have the net here. So I think I have to stitch it first so that we can continue on the beading, right? So I pause it first. Macam mana nak pause ni? Do I have to stop and then I have to start again? How to pause? Okay, I'm back. Now we start doing the running beads. So we take the round one, 1, 2, 3, and the this one, triangle. This. So you have this. Okay, and you place it on the back like that, right? You look here, it's like this. Up here you go. So you continue the next row. There. Okay. You continue until finish. So you have to be very careful because this material is very fragile. It's soap. Okay, it's like that. Right? So this is how it looks, just like the right side and the left side. It will. Then you will sew it until finish. So when it finished, I will share it to you another day in my channel, Makan Money. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, share, and like.